Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am back again because I do have actually 3 unboxings, 2 from Coach. One I got today from Karl Lagerfeld Paris, from TJ Maxx when I was out shopping. If you want to go and look at one of my shorts, it shows you where I'm looking around shopping, and I got this bag. So I'm very excited to talk about this bag and the 2 other unboxings. But before I do, I need you guys to do me one little favor. I need you to go and like and subscribe to my channel and follow and support me. And for the ones that already support me, mwah. So let's get started. So yeah, I was out shopping at TJ Maxx and I ran across this bag again. And I'm going to say again because I've ran across this bag twice. Once when it was, it's regular $198 and $198, and they had it for $69.99. And I liked it, and my husband was trying to get me to get it, and I was like, no, I already got so many bags already. And so I didn't get it. I came back, they had it on sale for $59, and he was like, you really need to get this bag, you just keep saying that you want it. And so I didn't get it that day. I got there today, and the bag is on clearance for $39. So I said, this is a sign that it's my bag. So I got it. So it is a cute top handle bag. It does have a beautiful strap with his name on it. Karl Lagerfeld Paris is written on the bag. It is an adjustable guitar strap. It has a matching little bag that has, it's a little bag that you can put like your AirPods or, you know, change or something in it. And it does come off. Here, let me cut it. Let's see. Got some scissors here. I'm gonna just cut it. Let's see. So it detaches. Yep, there we go. So it detaches all the way. So if you wanted to carry this like on your jeans, you could. $39, even just for this, to me is worth it. You know, if I wanted to just, you know, attach it to another Karl Lagerfeld bag, I could. I mean, it's, you know, just whatever you want to do. But it does come with it, and it does have like where you can reattach it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and reattach it here. The little hook here. Silver tone hardware. It also has it, I'm going to cut here where you can detach this strap altogether if you just don't want to carry it. And you just wear it as a top handle. It does have the little man and cat, looks like a cat on it. It's cute on it with the silver tone wording on it. It has an outside magnetic pocket, outside magnetic pocket, and it has the soft black, feels kind of like nylon, with the words Karl Lagerfeld Paris written over and over. And then it has a zipper on top. And then let me just take the paper out. I'll probably put the paper back in just to keep its shape. But it has, on the inside, it has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 card holders. It has 3 card holders. It has a big open pocket here, and then it has a zipper pocket here. And then it has the open pocket here. So I think it's really cute, and I'm going to enjoy wearing this bag. Okay. But yeah, I think it looks cute. I think it would even go with what I have on today. It's just a really cute, fun bag. And if you know Karl Lagerfeld, you know that he has a lot of colorful bags, kind of like Kurt Geiger. So I really like it. And for $39, you can't go wrong. So, and so also I have an unboxing from Coach. This is a Rowan bag. It does have the designs of ladybugs and pretty flowers on it. And then it has the little word Coach on it. It has the gold tone hardware. And I'm gonna have to cut through here. But I don't own a Rowan bag. This is my first one. They did come out with a floral Rowan that I did order today, and it has not come in, but I'll probably be doing a unboxing of that as well. I have been wanting a Rowan for a while, and I've had this for a while. I've just never unboxed it. You know how you put something up and then you kind of forget about it? That was me. I kind of forgot about this bag. Would that have stopped me from getting the floral bag that I got today? No. To me, the floral looks totally different than this, so it probably would not have discouraged me. The only thing it did was inspire me to wear this one. So I got one more to cut, and then I should be ready. Well, 2 more. Cut right here. And then I'm going to cut here. And first I'll show you without the strap. Cute little, I think this is the medium size, and the one that I got today is a large. So this is the medium Rowan. It is leather. Like I said, it has the gold tone hardware. The zipper unzips. Excuse me. Then I'm gonna take the paper out. I hate it didn't come with a dust bag, and neither did the Karl Lagerfeld bag, which that's okay. I do have extra dust bags that I do buy for my bags. But this on the inside is a nylon brownish beige. It does have an open pocket on one side, and then it has a, let me take this off. It has a zipper pocket here with the instructions as far as how to care for your bag. It has a little barcode also that you can scan, but it does have the Coach in the same beige brown color on the zipper. But it also has an outside zipper pocket with the beige lining as well. And it's cute. It makes me want to wear it. I will really be wearing this soon. It has a leather strap that I need to cut this part off. It has a leather strap to it. that's adjustable. That you can carry as a crossbody, or you can carry it over the shoulder. Or you can probably no, it won't let you remove. It just has two parts to it. But you probably could just take it off and just wear it like this. So, which I probably would. Like I said, I like to carry my bags in the corner of my arm. So, in the bend of my arm. So, but it's really cute and I like it. And I will be getting a lot of wear. I'm disappointed it doesn't have foot bottoms on it. But that's okay too. So, I like it. It's cute. And last but not least, I ordered a mini belt bag. And it looks just as cute as I expected it to look. I'm going to take the paper off. And I love belt bags. I love that you can just wear it either over the shoulder or around your waist and carry so much stuff in it. And it's a little different than wearing a handbag. But yeah, I'm a fan of both. Belt bags are really cool, like at work. I can wear it and put my essentials in it as a nurse. But all the papers off the outside. It does have mustard colored yellow leather. And then it has the canvas here. It has one zipper pocket here in the back. And I'm just going to take the paper out. So it has a zipper pocket here where you can put like some cards or money back here. And then it has a main pocket here where you can put quite a bit of stuff actually. Yeah, you could put quite a bit of stuff in here. It has just the cards and stuff with the tag, but has a barcode here. But you can put quite a bit of stuff in there. Zip it up. It has the strap, which I said that's adjustable. And let me see. Okay, so this side only is adjustable. So I'm going to adjust it to make it fit my waist. It's pretty easy to adjust, by the way. And there you go. So I could either wear it here okay, I could either wear it around the waist or I could wear it, let's see, I could wear it over the shoulder. Like this. If I wanted to make it looser, I could, but I could just kind of wear it like that. I probably would make it looser for comfort. The only thing I don't like is probably, if anyone knows what I could do with this hanging strap here. I don't know where this would go. I don't know. I don't like that flap just kind of hanging, but I would probably like to wear it this way and loosen it up a little bit. Let me try to loosen it up. Let's see. Well, I can't figure that part out as far as how to make it looser, but I can figure that out later. Overall, I do like the bag. I feel like once I get used to it, like I said, it's different than handbags, but once I get used to it, I think I'll like it. So if you have this belt bag already, please let me know and let me know, what do you do about all this extra hanging off here? So yeah. So all right, guys, until next time, have a wonderful and blessed day, and I have more unboxings to follow. Mwah.